guys, welcome back to another DIY video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this simple and easy tote bag that is great for the summer. You're going to need about 3/4 of a yard of fabric. I'm using this canvas that I got from my fabric collection. I took one of my tote bags to use as a reference to see how big I want my new bag to be. Since the stripe on my fabric is not even, I end up cutting each piece separately. I determined the measurement that I want for my bag, which was 16.5 by 17. Taking that measurement, add an extra inch to it. The 1 inch is for the seam allowance, which is 1/2 inch. So 17.5 and 18 will be my new measurement to cut out. Now that I got my first piece cut out, I am going to use it as a template for the second piece. Lay your two pieces right sides together and sew one side to the other, leaving an opening at the top. Then I serge the edge. If you don't have a serger, you can use a zigzag stitch. I also serged the opening so I can have a clean finish for the hem. To make the straps, I measured the straps on my bag and it was 10 inches, and I added an extra 1.5 inches to the length. Just to let you know, my seam allowance for the straps was 1/4. That's why there's an extra 1/2 inch to the length. For the width, I made it 1 inch. I want the straps to fold over, so I had to double the measurement and add the seam allowance. I sewed each strap all the way around, leaving one side opening to turn inside out. I actually used a crochet hook to turn my straps out. The way I did it was I took the crochet hook and putting the strap, the bottom part that's closed off on top, I started scrunching it down until I reached the top. Then I was able to hold the closed side and pull out my strap the right way. I actually had a fun time doing this part because it was like a magic trick. To make the hem, fold 1 inch down and pin in place. Then sew the top stitch all the way around. For the placements of the straps, I laid down my tote bag on top in the middle of the new bag and measure where the straps lays at. Don't forget to mark at the front, the bag, and also the back. Finally, to sew down the straps, I follow the exact same sewing that they did on the bag, which is you make a box and then you make an X inside the box to reinforce the straps. Use your tote bag for grocery or for anything that you guys want to use it for. I like using mine as a purse. I can put my phone, my glasses case, and my wallet because it's a lot of space. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, I'll see you guys later.